Just recording. Here. All right, here. Come here. Come here, Doc. Here. Just aim it at us. Here. Come here, Nuggie.
Push.
Just press that button right there. Right there. That one. Push it in. Yeah, push it in. Push it in. Get it on us. Come here, Nugget. You got it on us?
Yeah,
Come here, Nugget. You got it over here? Can you walk out a little bit? Come here. Walk out a little bit so you'll get us. Wait a minute. Wait. Walk out, because I don't want it to jump on the hard brick. Come on, walk out. Walk out, honey. Walk out.
Dee, come on.
Come on, walk out. I don't want it to jump on the brick. There you are. Okay.
You jump on me.
All right, put it right down here.
Dee, please.
There you go, right here. Here. Come here, Nuggie. Come here, Nuggie. Come here, Nuggie. All right, now. Now, come here.
You don't want to do it. Here.
Hey, Nugget! Come here! Oh, there he goes. Oh, he hurdled it! He hurdled the fence! Come here, Nugget.
Remember when Shimmy used to do that?
Come here, get him out here. Come here.
Dee, it's soaking wet.
Okay, here.
I got little tiny slippers.
Okay, come here. Come here. Ooh! Can't tell if it's on.
It's going around.
Yeah, it's on. Okay, here. All right, here. Here. Come on. All right, Nugget. Nugget, come here.
Now what
come
do
here.
I do?
Come here. Keep it on him. Keep it on him. Get him. Get him.
Do to make it go.
And you make it off the same way. On, off. On, off. For God's sake.
You take this.
Don't point the camera at the sun.
Why is it fun?
Nugget, come here.
You take it.
Come here. Just a minute. Come here.
You don't
Come here,
want to
Nugget.
do it.
Come here. Come here, Nugget. Nugget, come here.
Lost it.
Nugget, come here. He's a little tired. Come here.
Hello. Come on,
we should see him run through
rock.
Come here. Come here, good boy. You tired? Come on, come on. All right, now, Daddy. Now, wait a minute. Nugget, come here. Nugget, come here. Come here, boy. Hey, come on. All right, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
See, I gotta go. I got things to do. Come on. You get him another time. He'll just see he don't want to do nothing except get a drink.
All right, come on. Go give him a drink. Wait a minute. Give me. Go give him a drink. Come here.
Stupid thing weighs a ton. How do you hold that?
Give him a drink. Give him a drink. Nugget! Come here, Nugget. Come here, Nugget. 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 Here, boy. Here's my friends, the birds. Here are my friends. Come on, birds. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Woo! You dive bombing. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here he comes in. Come on. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There he is, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Pretty bird. How close can I come? Where's your friend? Huh? Where's your friend? Huh? Where's your friend? Huh, pretty bird? Where's your friend? Huh? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. And Nugget. I think I'll take a close-up of your face. You may have to go outside now. I don't think the light is good enough in here. Hang on, let's see. Nugs? Nope, I don't know. Did it what?
To take my profile better.
No, I think it should be alright. I don't know.
Demonstrations and step-by-step instructions in clear, easy-to-understand language.
Okay. Alright, Nugget. What do you want to pose for? Alright. That's good. That's good. Ears tight. That's good. Alright, let the ears go down now. Ears down. Good. Anticipation. Good. That's good, Nug. Oh, yawn. Good. Good. That's a good one, Nug. Good. Yawn. Alright. Tongue. Good. Alright.
Turn the light up.
Turn the light on, Doc, so it has some light. Added light. It's still too light, I think. Well, I don't know. Well, all right, Nugs. All right, how about a high five, Nugs? How about a high five? Give me a hand. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on. Give me a paw. Paw, high five. High five. Good man. Good man. I don't know if I've got it there, but you got to do it, Daddy. You go give him a high five. I can't. I won't see it this way. I can't. Oh, Daddy, come on. Hurry up, honey, while he's high fiving. Joey, would you high? Oh, nobody's going to see it. Brat. Brat, which car are you taking? Wait a minute, Dottie, you need the... Dottie, do you need the car for anything? Do you need the car for anything? Dottie, do you need the car for anything?
You think the
What time? Joe, you take my car. All right, Dottie, now come out and paw and give Nugget a paw.
No.
Please?
No.
Brat. Let him do a high five. Come here. Nugget, sit. 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 Good dog. Good dog. And that's a swell dog. Stay there. Stay there. I'm going to get some close-ups of your face. Stay there. That's it. That's beautiful, pretty dog. No, 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 no. Nuggie. Nuggie. Sit down. Sit down. That's a face only a mother could love. Joey, could I please get a picture of you without your jacket on?
No.
Boy and his dog. Joey, go in the blue car. You want to go in the blue car?
No.
All right. Nugget! Nugget, get out of there. Nugget!
Come here, stupid. Get out, stupid.
Come on, Joe. Do good. Have a good day at the office. Have a good day at the office. Nuggie, you want to go with Joey?
Get out of here.
Come on, Nugget. Nugget! Come on. Nugget! Come on. Dottie? Ooh, the dive bombers are here. Dottie, look. Dottie? Dottie? Honey, please look. The dive bombers are here. Dottie? I can't film them though, they come in too close. They come in too close. Watch him, Dot. Here he comes. Woo! Here he comes. Whoa! Dottie, come here, look, this is fun. Come here, just watch. Just watch. Just watch. Brad, come here. Brad. Brad, come here and stand here a minute, will ya? Going, Brad, and attack. Brad. Oh, they're going out of sight. Hey, dummy, Nugget. Hey. Turn the kitchen light on too, Brad. All right, Brad, go on. Go on, Brad, please.
Take him like that first.
Wait, all right, all right.
Keep your tail going. You're talking things and you get up from after.
Don't, Brad. No, Bradley, don't do that, Bradley. Bradley, don't do that, will you please? Because we don't want him to get up.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. All right, Bradley, please. Bradley. Bradley, boy, what a scorch Bradley does. Brad, honey, don't make him move. And now leave him alone. Don't say anything. All right, now go on over there and make him give you his paw like he did.
Go over it.
Go on, Brad. Please.
Get up.
Bradley, go on over there. Go on.
Hi, honey.
Put your face down and let him do his paw. I'm not on you.
Here, give me your paw.
Never.
Let him paw you.
Never. Well, I said to you, if I had a client like you, I'd never want him. I
That's
would
it.
never
That's it. Do it again, Brad. Do it again, Brad. Put your face down there. Look.
Okay.
Hi, honey.
Left for laying out in the sun.
Oh, okay.
Well, they weren't that disallowed until you let Joey do the laundry and he shrunk them.
Those not